So how are you feeling about the race that's about to happen?
Big race. See, look at all these boats coming out for today. It's gonna be a great race. Let's go.
I feel like I'm gonna flip over as soon as I get in the boat.
How are you going to prevent yourself from doing that?
Well, I was gonna get it over there, but apparently we're not allowed to do that, so I guess I'm just gonna send it.
Yeah.
So how are you feeling about the race? All right.
Not all that confident.
How are you feeling about the race?
Pretty good. I hope I don't just flip over though.
All right, good luck. How are you feeling about the race, Dylan?
I'm feeling very confident, and I know I'm gonna sink right away. Hopefully the Shame on Joey gods will call Shame on Quinn's gods, and maybe they'll help me out.
Everyone's bullying me because of my boat. I had no cardboard, but I think I'm gonna win. I have a Thanos sword, and I have port and starboard stickers.
How you feeling?
So, I'm not a rapper or a short swimmer, but I know that I will finish faster than all of these kidders.
How are you feeling?
What? It's good. It's good.
Good and bad at the same time.
Why?
I don't know.
Do you think you're going to win?
No.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We weren't starting on land.
Oh, Nick! Big brain time. Big brain.
How did that work? This is about to count.
Everyone made fun of me.
How did Esteban win?
Good job, Julian.
I have to let it dry out.
Joey's going down! No!
Look at Esteban. Esteban, what happened?
I just got stung. You lost the life jacket.
It's not even. The air's coming out. I knew I got it. I had packing peanuts. That was my little secret, packing peanuts in here, so I can float. I did it even without flex tape. I am a real genius sometimes. Not gonna lie.
Okay, that's really heavy.
Bubble bit! Breathe! It's really heavy. It's really heavy.
Cardboard pirates down. I got this fish.
Go get him, bitch.
Because there's jellyfish everywhere.